Bitcoin stays below $44,000. Ether trades above $2,300. FASB issues standard to improve the accounting and disclosure of certain crypto assets. ARK sells $42.6 million Coinbase shares as coin hits 20-month high. Basel Committee suggests introducing maturity limits for stablecoin reserve assets. DeFi protocol Yearn.finance appeals to traders for return of lost $1.4 million. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The virtual digital asset space once again turned active in the past 24 hours after the US Federal Reserve officially decided unanimously to leave the federal funds rate unchanged while gave a clear signal that its aggressive hiking campaign is finished. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, surged 4.7% to 54,473. Bitcoin or BTC bounced over $43,000 for the first time since Monday's flash crash. The largest cryptocurrency was recently trading at $42,945, up 4.4%. BTC's market cap has increased to $839 billion, but its dominance over the alts has lost some traction and is down to 51.98%. Ethereum was trading at $2,285, a rise of 4.95% in the similar time span. It posted double-digit growth in past 1 week. US stock futures climbed Wednesday night after the Federal Reserve indicated multiple rate cuts in 2024, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at an all-time high. Futures tied to the 30 stock Dow added 125 points or 0.34%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.4% and 0.5% respectively. Elsewhere, a significant transfer of 290 billion Shiba Inu tokens has been completed, involving a single wallet that already holds a portfolio valued at over $5 million, predominantly in SHIB and FTX token. The global crypto market cap now stands at $1.61 trillion, up 4.3% over the last day. Most altcoins continue to trade in the green zone. Binance BNB was trading 0.7% higher at $252. Solana's SOL gained 10.1% to trade at $72.4. Cardano's ADA token jumped 14.1% to trade at $0.65. Avalanche AVAX increased by 7.5% at $38.7. Polygon Matic rose by 5.5% to trade at $0.89. Polkadot gained 8.3% before trading at $7.3. Ripple's XRP added 4.5% to trade at $0.63. DogeCoin was 5.1% higher at $0.097. Shiba Inu surged 7.4%.
Thanks, Ruchi, and now back to the headlines. The Financial Accounting Standards Board or FASB today published an accounting standards update intended to improve the accounting for and disclosure of certain crypto assets. The amendments in the ASU improve the accounting for certain crypto assets by requiring an entity to measure those crypto assets at fair value each reporting period, with the changes in fair value recognized in net income. The amendments also improve the information provided to investors about an entity's crypto asset holdings by requiring disclosure about significant holdings, contractual sale restrictions, and changes during the reporting period. The amendments in the ASU are effective for all entities for a fiscal year beginning after December 15, 2024, including interim periods within those fiscal years. Cathie Wood's investment firm Mark Invest offloaded a sizable chunk of Coinbase as the shares of Nasdaq-listed crypto exchange rose to a 20-month high on Wednesday. ARK sold 283,104 shares worth $42.59 million based on Coinbase's last close of $150.46, draining holdings from its ARK Innovation and ARK Next Generation Internet (ARKW) exchange-traded funds. The firm has sold over $150 million worth of Coinbase shares since December 5. On Wednesday, Coin rose more than 7.7% to top $150 for the first time since April 2022. Despite recent sales, Coinbase still constitutes over 10% of ARK's portfolio and retains the top spot on the investment firm's list of top 10 holdings. Coinbase shares have rallied up by 325% this year, beating the S&P 500's top performer and tech giant Nvidia by a significant margin. NVDA has gained 226% mainly on the back of the AI narrative. In a consultative document published on December 14, the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision of Bank for International Settlements or BIS proposed several measures on targeted adjustment to its standard on banks' exposure to crypto assets. The document is the result of the review work conducted during 2023, which helped the committee formulate amendments to its original prudential standards for banks' exposure to stablecoins published in December 2022. Proposed changes relate primarily to the composition of reserve assets of stablecoins, specifically for crypto assets classified under Group 1B in the Prudential Standards, subject to capital requirements based on the risk weights of underlying exposures. The committee proposes to target the redemption risks in periods of extreme stress when the stablecoin issuers might face mass claims for withdrawal and a resulting fire sale. The regulating body suggests restricting stablecoin exposures to longer-term maturities by introducing a maximum maturity limit for individual reserve assets. Decentralized finance platform Yearn.Finance is seeking to return $1.4 million in funds that were inadvertently drained due to a multi-sig scripting error during a token conversation process on decentralized exchange CowSwap. The error occurred during the conversion of YVault LP Curve tokens into stablecoins on CowSwap. Yearn received 779,958 DAI YVault tokens from the trade, resulting in a 63% decrease in the liquidity pool value from its treasury. Yearn confirmed the $1.4 million loss caused by the scripting error, but it is important to note that the affected tokens were strictly protocol-owned liquidity and customer funds were not affected. Yearn is requesting arbitrage traders who may have profited from the situation to consider returning a portion of the gains they obtained as a result of the multi-sig script error. Yearn is asking anyone who profitably arbed this mistake to return an amount reasonable to Yearn's main multisig, demonstrating their commitment to addressing the situation and recovering the lost funds. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Shiba Inu. A significant transfer of 290 billion Shiba Inu tokens have been completed, involving a single wallet that already holds a portfolio valued at over $5 million, predominantly in SHIB and FTX token. This move is particularly intriguing given the current market conditions where Shiba has taken a huge punch and struggles to find a reversal point after a steep decline. Three possible reasons behind these transfers include consolidation of holdings, whale maneuvering on the market, and a profit-taking strategy. The recipient wallet could be consolidating SHIB holdings for better management or preparation for a future strategic move, such as a significant investment or project launch. The move to a single wallet might precede a redistribution in a way that maximizes returns or protects the holder's interests in a volatile market. The recent price performance of Shiba shows that an accelerating rally, the token has been unable to sustain its bullish momentum, succumbing to market pressures and a broader correction. Shiba Inu was trading at 8% up in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have a new token which is TonUp. TonUp, a prominent project within the open network ecosystem, is set to launch its initial DEX offering for the UP token on December 20th. The UP token IDO represents the growing influence and expansion of the TON ecosystem, which is known for its decentralized and user-friendly blockchain solutions. TonUp aims to diversify and enrich the TON landscape by offering new opportunities for investment development and community engagement. The UP token IDO is structured to accommodate a wide range of interested parties, ensuring inclusivity and fairness in the allocation process. A total of 1 million UP tokens are set for sale, distributed through two primary methods. The first portion, consisting of 200,000 tokens, is reserved for a whitelist subscription method, providing early supporters and committed members with an exclusive opportunity to acquire UP tokens before the general public. The remaining 800,000 UP tokens are allocated for public sale, reflecting the open and democratic ethos of the TON ecosystem and serving as a barometer for the market's reception and enthusiasm towards the UP token. Next on the list, we have Celestia. Celestia's native TIA token has reached a record high of $12.35, marking a 473% increase since its debut at $2.31 6 weeks ago. Polygon teased the integration on X before its official announcement, prompting TIA to rise from $10.36 to $12.35. The asset's fully diluted value, which is also known as FDV, now stands at $12.1 billion, with just 15% of its total supply in circulation. Some TIA token holders are speculating about token airdrops from projects integrated with Celestia, similar to how Solana's Jito and Marinade rewarded users with tokens earlier this month. On-chain activity on Celestia remains muted, with 872,000 transactions since its launch on October 31st, with 362,000 added over the past 30 days. Compared to Arbitrum, another modular blockchain, Arbitrum has totaled between 600,000 and 800,000 daily transactions over the past week. Celestia was trading at $13, up near 15% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Binance BNB. Binance's BNB chain has recorded its all-time high transaction count with 32.7 million transactions registered on December 8th. This is despite the ongoing challenges faced by the network, including a hostile US Securities and Exchange Commission. In the past, BNB-based decentralized applications were bound by Binance's massive influence over the price of BNB, which could significantly influence the network's overall capitalization. The SEC's lawsuit against Binance's June led to a crash in the BNB market, dragging round the BEP20 tokens like cake. Recently, Binance's $4 billion settlement with the Department of Justice has added a dramatic twist to its ongoing legal battle with the SEC. The DOJ is now incorporating evidence from the settlement into its case against Binance and former CEO Changpeng Zhao. The BNB chain's transaction count has reached new highs despite these challenges, indicating the ecosystem's growing resilience. DApp users appear less worried by Binance's regulatory missile. In the past year, BNB has moved to increase decentralization, adding more validators, but still having fewer than most of its peers. BNB was trading at $251, up 0.70% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Bonk. Coinbase, a major US-based cryptocurrency exchange, has announced its intention to list Bonk, a dog-themed token on the Solana blockchain. The inclusion of Bonk on Coinbase's roadmap caused the token's price to increase by over 8%. Coinbase's roadmap indicates that the exchange has decided to list the asset, aiming to increase transparency by providing information symmetry. However, users are cautioned against depositing these experimental assets to avoid potential permanent loss of funds until an official full listing announcement. Bonk, like other dog-themed meme coins like DogeCoin and Shiba Inu, has seen a significant surge in popularity among meme coin enthusiasts, with its price increasing by 416% over the last alone. Bonk was trading at 43% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.tweeversetv.io or scan the QR code.